Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shivakant Pathak here available with you to see one more gas law, that is pressure law or Gay-Lussac's law. This pressure law is given by Gay-Lussac, so it is called Gay-Lussac law. Here in the Gay-Lussac pressure law, we are keeping third thermodynamical coordinate, volume as a constant, and keep pressure and temperature as a variable, right? And this law is similar to Charles law. To understand this pressure law, see this diagram very carefully. Here in this diagram, 273 ml of ideal gas is filled at 0 Celsius, right? And its temperature is increased by 1 degree Celsius, right? Its temperature is increased by 1 degree Celsius. In that condition, the volume will expand, but here to keep volume constant, some weight is placed over it to keep volume constant, because here V is constant. So in that condition, pressure increases by 1 unit. Pressure increases by 1 unit, and its reciprocal is also true when we decrease the temperature. Pressure decreases, temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius. This pressure also decreases by 1 unit, right? So we can say, and vice versa here in this case, right? So we may write here in the pressure law, that is for fixed mass of gas. This is common in all three law, Boyle's law, Charles law, and pressure law. For fixed mass of gas at constant volume, right? The pressure of gas changes, increases or decreases by 273 times of pressure at 0 degree Celsius. Here the same concept we can write here in the mathematical form, that is PT, pressure at T degree Celsius, is equal to PT plus, if it is increases by increasing the temperature, PT is equal to P0 is 0, P0 by 273 into T. Or we may write PT is equal to P0 common 1 plus T by 273. It is here. This is equation number 1, and it can be written here in this way, right? This equation can also be written PT is equal to P0, this total LCM 273 plus T is here. This is a plus. See here underlined term. that is 273 plus T. It is equal to capital T at absolute temperature capital T. So this law can be written as Pt is equal to P0 capital T by 273, or Pt by capital T is equal to P0 by 273. See here in the box item, when we have taken a fixed mass of a gas, focus here on the diagram. This is fixed mass of a gas. So in that condition, see how it is. Its pressure is a constant. Here in fixed mass of gas at 0 degrees Celsius, its pressure is a constant, 273 is a constant. So this total term is constant, and in general this is P by T is equal to constant. Can be represented as equation 2, or we may also write P proportional to T provided volume is constant, and represented by equation number 3 here in this case. Now see carefully. The one statement of Charles law we have taken, pressure law we have taken. For fixed mass of gas as constant volume, pressure of gas changes by 1 by 273 times of pressure at 0 degree Celsius. Now see, scale of temperature changes. It is from Celsius to Kelvin. Now see how it is stated. For fixed mass of gas, first box, second box at constant volume. Here thermodynamical coordinate, volume is a constant. Now see, the pressure of gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature T, right? So this is the statement of pressure law. Equation third can also be written as this second equation. In this, P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2 is equal to P3 by T3, and so on. P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2. Normally we use here in numerical problems. Now see, pressure law can be written as can be represented by graph, pressure versus temperature at constant volume, right? Air pressure curve is here, we can represent. So here what is constant? Volume is constant. See here in this case. So this curve is called isochore. So this is for today only. Thank you and have a nice day.